Good afternoon, students. I hope you have read the lesson. So today I am going to continue the lesson, our environment. So let's see. Can you tell, are the things in this picture living or non-living? If it is a living thing, it is a plant or an animal. So use your brain power. A railway engine goes to and fro. Is it is living or non-living? So wood comes from the tree, which are living things. A chair is made from the wood. Now the chair is living or non-living? So can you tell which bird you see in your surrounding? So can you name some things that are made from stone? See a student, living and non-living. So living, for living what we need? We need a water, we need a food, we need a breathe, air. For non-living, it is given the examples here. It is animals, plants, they are living. So non-living thing is what? Chair, stone, glass, pot, table, etc. So now let's see the relation between all the things in the environment. Water and air are the part of the environment. All living things need them. Living things also need food. They get their food from the environment. Just now I told that for living things what we need a water, food, air. We need to take the breath. So we need a air. So whatever living things need to survive and they get from the environments. Birds build their nests. So student, you have seen birds build their nests. They need the cotton, twigs and threads. Twigs म्हणजे काय? काड्या. So to build them, they get these things from the environment. When they build the nest, they use cotton. म्हणजे काय तुम्ही बघितलं असेल की when they build the nest, what they do, how they make the nest, they use the cotton, twigs and thread to build their nest. So they get this thing from the environment. Now let's next page. Human beings use so many things from the environment. We get cotton, wool and silk from our environment. So we clothes from them. So we make the things like mat, basket, paper from materials in our environment. We build houses using the clay, stone and wood. This material too we get from our environment. The seed of some plants are scattered by the wind. As a result, seeding of those plants grow in new places. Thus plants to get help from the environment. Means what? When the wind is coming so heavily, what they do, the birds also take in the mouth and the seeds are going there. म्हणजे काय? जास्त वाऱ्यामुळे काय होतंय? त्यांचे सीड काय होते? इकडनं तिकडं स्प्रेड होतात आणि जेव्हा ते सीड कुठं पडलेलं असतं त्या जागेवर ते काय करतात? द न्यू प्लांट्स ग्रो. So this is a meaning. So living things take many things from the environment. What effect does that have on the environment? So animals like vultures, foxes eat the flesh of dead animals and thus they clean the environment while they satisfy their hunger. Remain of the dead animals decay. They mix with the soil, leaves falls off trees and they too rot and get mixed. This makes the soil fertile. It makes the soil fertile and plants get nourishment from fertile soil. Vulture म्हणजे काय? गिधाड and fox means कोल्हा. What they do? They eat the flesh of dead animals. म्हणजे काय? They eat the flesh of dead animals. मेलेले प्राणीचं ते खातात आणि जेव्हा त्यांना ते भूक लागतात. What they do? How much they need, they eat that much only and they clean the environment when they are satisfied their hunger. Then remains of dead animals decay. म्हणजे काय? मेलेले प्राणी जे असतात, काही प्राणी काय करतात की जेवढं त्यांना पाहिजे तेवढं खातात आणि जेवढं बाकीचे ते उरलेलं असते ते अन्न त्यांचं ते इट मिक्स विथ द सॉइल. म्हणजे मातीत बोन्स वगैरे शिल्लक असते ते मातीत मिक्स झालेलं असते आणि ते मिक्स विथ द सॉइल्स अँड त्याच्याबरोबरच झाडाची पानं ती सुद्धा कुजून ते सगळं that also it mixed with the soils and what they happened, it makes the soil fertile. म्हणजे त्याचं काय चांगलं खत तयार होतंय आणि ते खत आपण काय करतोय? एका झाडाला चांगलं खत तयार झाल्यावर सगळं कुजलेलं अन्न ते सगळं खत तयार झाल्यावर आपण काय करतोय? झाडांना घालतोय का? झाडं चांगली वाढवण्यासाठी. So it grows very well. So plants also grow very well and get nourishment from fertile soil. So and thus living things bring about changes in non-living things too. Now do you know A sheep body is covered with wool. It is covered with wool. The sheep feeds on the leaves of shrubs as it does, and though the seed of some shrubs can eat caught in its wool. And when the sheep goes somewhere else, the seed may fall off there. And thus the sheep helps new seedling of shrub to grow in many different places. In this way, the sheep, which is an animal, and the shrub, which is a plant, help each other. Now what we have learned? There are many things in our environment. Some of them are living things and some are non-living things. Living things can move their own. Living things need food. Food helps them to grow. Living things produce young ones like themselves. Living things are of two kinds, plants and animals. Living things get all they need from the environment. Living things bring about changes in non-living things too. All living things in an environment depend upon each other. So always remember, the needs of all living things are fulfilled by things in the environment. Such things should not be allowed to go waste. So we must take care that we do not causes harm to the environment. See students, you have to take the textbook and pencil, and some of the hard words I am given, you should underline it. So I am going to tell you here, page number 3. Railway, engine, chair, surrounding, survive, birds, twigs, cotton, threads, human, cotton, wool, silk, weave, mats, baskets, materials, seeds, vulture, foxes, hunger, decay, nourishment, fertile. So these hard words you have to write 2 times in your notebook. And see a student, page number 6. It is a given the exercise, all the question answer. So this all question answer you have to write in your notebook. It is the same, means some extra question also is there, write short notes. So that also question I had given the this thing, question and answer. So that all question answer you have to write in your notebook, and you have to learn this question answer, and you have to read this lesson. So I hope you understood this. Thank you.